6 benefits to having an unwavering belief in yourself. Every day we make dozens of decisions. Our whole day is nothing more than a series of actions, one after another. We're used to it because this is part of what it means to be an adult, right? The thing is, sometimes we become worn down by the challenges of life. We miss the mark and start to doubt ourselves. Life becomes more difficult. What does this have to do with decisions we make or actions we take? Simple. When you start faltering, you lose belief in yourself. Everything becomes a little harder. Now consider what it's like to be simplifying things again. By believing in yourself, amazing things happen. You show yourself respect. When you doubt yourself, you run yourself down. You're saying you're not good enough or smart enough to know what you're doing when in truth you are. You wouldn't allow someone to do this to your best friend. Why would you do it to yourself? Instead, by choosing confidence, you're also choosing to acknowledge just how awesome you are. You learn about yourself. We all have a lot of knowledge we're not even aware we possess. This knowledge is an accumulation of wisdom we've collected in our lives that we tap into when we're making decisions. When you trust your instincts, you discover just how much you truly do know. You push yourself. Sure, some decisions are easy. History tells us exactly what to expect when we make them. But when you take a leap of faith into unwavering self-confidence, you're also challenging yourself to see how much you truly know and just how right you can be. It's a pretty powerful feeling. You gain more. Nothing is ever gained by standing still. When you hesitate because of self-doubt, you're going to miss all kinds of possibilities. Lack of confidence keeps us from trying new things. After all, if there's no chance of success, why even try? But confidence knows you've got what it takes to seize an opportunity when you see it. You learn tenacity. When you don't trust yourself, you tend to avoid the hard decisions entirely, stalling out any progress in your life. By choosing to believe in yourself, you keep going, learning how to hang in there during the rough stuff. This is also where you achieve real growth as an individual. You feel motivated. When you're down on yourself, it's easy to think there's no point in even trying. Self-doubt will drop you right into depression if you're not careful. But unwavering self-belief creates optimism. The whole world looks brighter, and you can't wait to be part of it because you know you have what it takes to succeed there.